One of my favourite places to go out in search of the Fifth Kingdom is Welsh Mountain Zoo, up on the Bryn above Colwyn Bay. Earlier in the year, these beautiful, sprawling gardens were awash with bright orange chestnut mushrooms, but today, as is somewhat of a spring theme, fungus is proving a little elusive. A few shadows of what might be, there's never nothing at all to see, and the ever-stalwart bracket fungus. There's plenty more of the wild to enjoy in this busy place, however, and I of course take the opportunity to visit a few old friends. Zoos have always been quite good places for mushrooms, really. The rampant gardens, the abundant wood chip landscaping, piles of exotic dung and plenty of secret creeping corners overgrown and off the main path provide ideal habitats. I suppose this too is my ideal habitat, and I gladly get lost for hours at a time amongst the flowers, encountering chimpanzees and listening to the sea lions bark. Homeward efforts take me back through the big woods too, so here there's plenty more fungal opportunities as well. I'm expecting the deer shields any day now.